The site I want to talk about today is called Studypool. What's cool about it? It is available everywhere. It doesn't mean whether you live in the US, Australia, Canada, or in the UK, you can do your work from everywhere. I would say it's a great option for the freelancers. Before we dive deeper into the topic of today's video, I want to tell you in advance, if you put the efforts, you can even make $7,500 per month with this one website. The main goal and idea of working with it is tutoring. In other words, there are many students who come to these websites to get the answers to their questions. And if you possess enough information, you give it to them and get paid for it. You are not required to possess a bachelor, master or PhD degree, no. It's enough to have the experience. If you have it, then you try to answer the specific questions and get paid for it. Now let's go to this website and take a look what it's all about. So here we are. This is how it looks like when you land on the main page of Studypool website. There is nothing crazy here. The interface is pretty simple and easy to navigate. Now let me show you which options you can have here. There are many industries on the main page. Business is the first. It consists of small categories: advertising, Facebook marketing, real estate, etc. I guess all of them can be high profitable niches if you are good at providing the answers related to these fields. In the humanities industry, one can find animation, cooking, design, music, ideal categories for young people who already have some experience and ready to share it with the students on this website, answering their questions. Mathematics includes algebra, cryptography, probability, statistics. In my opinion, this one is gold mine for those who possess some knowledge in these subjects, because the harder the task is, the less competition you have, and the higher financial reward is set for the tutor's answers. After having signed in, you have to choose between the selling documents or becoming a tutor. If you pick the first option, this is how it will look like if you upload the docs on Studypool. People who are interested in a specific topic come and buy it from you. On the right side, you can see the top earners. Just look at those numbers: $91, $8,900 made. Even if it's for 2 years period, this is crazy. You can easily create six-figure income with this side hustle. If you decide to become a tutor, this is what you will see. All these are the questions with different bids. For example, someone asks about management, and the tutor gives him the answer that costs $15. Now you have the idea how it works. There is also a column of highest earners. Just look at those numbers. Quite impressive. Go ahead and sign in immediately, if you know you can provide a value. But first, I recommend you to check my next video about side hustles you can do from home. Don't forget also to hit the like for today's topic and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content later.